Thing is, we came here to see cicadas, not boats.
Huh?
We came here to see cicadas, not boats. Ooh, ooh, ooh!
Oh, dragonfly? Yeah, they're pretty. Like real ones are. We're near water. There'll be more of those when we get to the fruit one.
I saw him fly there. Pick him up.
Nope, that
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I don't want to hurt it. I don't want to yank it off the branch and pull its legs off. That wouldn't be cool.
There's another one. They don't like you.
You know what? It's probably the off. How much you want to bet? Yeah, one.
Hold on, hold on.
The off is probably repelling them from me. Which makes sense, it's supposed to, which means it's doing its job. They're just everywhere. It's insane. Did you get the audio? You can hear them buzzing in there?
Oh, I'm sure this will pick them up. Oh god, he almost landed on the camera.
That'd be funny. They're not smart bugs. They're very, very stupid.
Alright.
Are there more? I mean, there are. I'm dumb. What kind of berries is there? Steve, eat one, find out.
No, it's alright.
You want to. You know you wanna. It's like pooping something.
Yay, cicada poop.
But
Good job, Terry.
oh, see? He's looking good. Oh, bud. Another one. He's not coming. Oh, look at this. Over here.
It's like a forest of the cicada damned.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ooh, there's a dragonfly right there, too.
Where?
See it?
Oh, I see. It's one of those really clear ones.
Ones that look like twigs.
There's another one who's freshly hatched. Actually, no, this one was damaged, I think. It's kind of, the wing was messed up.
Oh, wow.
It'll just die. And the birds will eat it.
Yum.
There's more. There's lots more down here.
Cicada cam. Cicada cam.
Well, these two are doing it.
What's that?
These two are doing it.
How do you know they're doing it?
Look at them.
I won't disturb them. How would you like if someone disturbed us doing it?
Oh, please, how many times have we been disturbed? In 17 years, their babies will come out of the ground, and then yet again I will hit them with my windshield.
I'm at the mercy of man!
Oh, God. They're the ugliest goddamn bugs I've ever seen.
But I'm so cute! He's just chilling on your finger. He likes you.
They walk like those wind-up bugs. Where are you going? I have nothing to give you.
Like, as long as I'm with you, I don't care.
Oh, Jesus. Steven, that's awful. Ooh!
Whoa, what the hell is that?
It's a dragonfly. Look at it. It's beautiful. Get a close-up on that motherfucker. It's awesome. I've never seen one that looks like that.
Your
before.
cicada's like, dude, look at me! Look at me!
Isn't that beautiful?
That is very beautiful.
I've never seen a dragonfly that color.
See, we have a thing of beauty like that, and then we have that. Mr. Lonely Heart over here.
Okay, I'm
Ugly bastard.